If you,
Don't kill me.
no, we're trying to survive together.
Oh.
If you find this video, please help us.
I'm begging you, please.
Susan and I wandered in this cave, and now some deranged
I'm
person.
not laughing, I'm just crying.
I know, it's awful. Some deranged person is trying to get us. What was that? Turns out the noise we heard was just an angry duck. I think Susan owes him money. It might be the one behind this, I don't know. Who wrote Forever Dead over there? I don't know if the camera's even picking it up, but it seriously says Forever Dead.
What did
What?
No, I think I killed you with a rock. I'll be like, trying to get your attention. Are you really taking me right now?
Yeah. What are you sitting down for? You're supposed to get up and like walk over there and see if there's a way out.
Ethan, there's a way out.
What?